A steam mop uses high-temperature steam to clean and sanitize floors without relying on harsh chemicals. Unlike traditional mops that push dirt around, steam mops break down grime and kill most bacteria, making them ideal for homes with kids or pets. The hot steam dries quickly, so your floors won't stay damp for long. Plus, steam mops capture dust and allergens in washable pads, keeping your home fresh and making cleaning easier and more comfortable. We'll take a look at features like steam control, cord length, ease of maneuverability, and more to help you pick the right steam mop for your cleaning needs. So, let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, and we have the Bissell Steam Mop 1806, also known as the PowerFresh Deluxe Sapphire. This one has become a popular pick for good reason. It's a steam mop, so it cleans without chemicals, just using steam to sanitize and lift away dirt, which is great if you want a safer option around kids or pets. This model is fairly lightweight at around 6 pounds, and it has a swivel head, which gives it a nice maneuverability around corners and furniture. The 12-inch cleaning path lets you cover a fair amount of floor space with each pass. Plus, Bissell added a fragrance disc option, so it leaves a light scent behind as you mop, which is a nice little touch. The Bissell Deluxe heats up in a quick 30 seconds, which means it's ready almost instantly. The on-demand steam control feature lets you adjust the steam level based on what you're cleaning. And the Spot Boost brush makes it easy to tackle stubborn stains and grout without needing an extra tool. It comes with a 23-foot power cord, which should be enough for most small to medium-sized rooms. If you're covering a larger space, you may need to change outlets. While we are making this video, the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe has over 20,000 reviews with a solid 4.4-star rating on Amazon. When a floor cleaner racks up that many reviews with such a high rating, it's saying something about its performance. Alright, let's move on to number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have the Shark S 5003D Genius Pocket Steam Mop. This one is slightly different. It's a dedicated floor steamer, so if your main goal is to keep hard floors spotless, the Shark offers a more targeted, streamlined approach. The Genius model features dual-sided cleaning pads that trap dirt, and they're washable, which adds to its eco-friendly appeal. One of the best parts of this model is the touch-free technology that lets you release the dirty pad directly into your laundry without ever having to touch it. Steam is distributed in controlled bursts through a well-designed mop head, and you have 3 levels of steam control, so you can adjust depending on how dirty your floors are. And it heats up in under 30 seconds, so it's always ready to go when you are. The mop is perfect for pet owners or parents who want a quick, chemical-free cleaning solution that's gentle on sealed floors. This steam mop is highly regarded with over 12,000 reviews, with an impressive average rating of around 4.6 stars on Amazon. Most of the users love its simple, fast operation and the convenience of not needing any chemical cleaners. For anyone whose main focus is floor care, the Shark S 5003D is a well-designed, straightforward tool that takes the hassle out of everyday floor cleaning without adding a lot of fuss. At number 3, we have the PerSteam Steam Mop. This model has gained a lot of attention because it's not just a floor mop, it's more of an all-around steam cleaning solution with a detachable handheld steamer that allows you to tackle various surfaces throughout the house. The PerSteam offers 10 different functions, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. Not only does it clean floors, but you can also detach the main body to use it as a handheld steam cleaner, which is handy if you want to sanitize sinks and countertops or even refresh upholstery. This flexibility makes it ideal for multi-surface cleaning, and it comes with a range of attachments to help with these different areas. The PerSteam also works with on-demand steam control, which lets you adjust the intensity. The mop also heats up and is steam ready in about 30 seconds, so you can get started almost immediately. The microfiber cleaning pad grabs onto dust and grime without scratching, and the mop head itself swivels for smoother maneuvering around corners or furniture. The PerSteam is super lightweight at only 4.4 pounds, making it easy to handle around the house, even with the attachments or in handheld mode. That's especially useful if you're cleaning shower walls or reaching into higher or smaller areas. The mop has over 52,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.2 stars on Amazon. The Purse Steam has built a reputation as a reliable, multifunctional cleaner. If you're looking for a steam mop that goes beyond the floor and tackle multiple surfaces, the Purse Steam 10-in-1 is a strong contender. Now at number 2, we've got the Bissell PowerFresh 1940A. This is another popular choice from Bissell, and it's known for delivering solid cleaning power with a bit more focus on handling tougher stains and grime. The PowerFresh features a flip-down easy scrubber that provides extra scrubbing power so you don't need a separate tool. Combined with the high-temperature steam, it effectively loosens up dirt and stubborn messes without much effort on your part. This model also gives you on-demand steam control with 3 different levels: low, medium, and high. For a quick daily clean, low steam works well, while high is there when you need to power through a spill or stickier mess. And with a fast 30-second heat-up time, it's ready to go, so you're not waiting around to get started. The Bissell PowerFresh has a swivel steering feature that lets you easily navigate around furniture and corners. It's lightweight enough to carry up and down stairs, and the 23-foot cord gives you decent reach. Though, like with other models, you may have to switch outlets in larger spaces. The mop head is also fitted with microfiber pads that are gentle on sealed hardwood but tough enough to grip dirt and debris on tile and other hard floors. The Bissell also includes fragrance discs with this model, which you can insert into the mop pad to leave a light, clean scent behind as you mop. In terms of customer satisfaction, with over 48,000 reviews and a fantastic 4.5-star rating, it's clear this model has earned a reputation for efficiency and ease of use on a range of hard floors. Let's see what the top spot holds. And finally, here we are with our top pick, the Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark model claims the top spot with its simple, efficient design and focus on convenience. The Shark S1000 is easy to use with its removable water tank that you can refill at the sink, and it's ready to use in just 30 seconds like other models. This model comes with 2 machine-washable dirt grip pads. They're microfiber and reusable, which saves on replacement costs and is better for the environment compared to disposable pads. These pads are specifically designed to grab onto dust and grime, leaving your floors cleaner with each pass. The Shark S1000 is also incredibly maneuverable. Its low-profile mop head makes it easy to reach under cabinets, furniture, or tight spaces, while its lightweight design makes it easy to carry. It comes with an 18-foot power cord, which is a bit shorter than some other models we've seen, so you may need to switch outlets to cover more ground. When it comes down to reliability and simplicity, this model has over 61,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating on Amazon. The Shark S1000 is a top-rated choice, showing it's won the confidence of users who want a dependable. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a reliable, no-frills steam cleaner for regular upkeep on all types of sealed floors at an affordable price. Now, let's take a look at how to choose the right steam mop for your needs. Choosing the right steam mop starts with understanding your cleaning needs and floor types. If you have a variety of sealed hard floors, like tile and hardwood, look for a model with adjustable steam levels, allowing you to safely clean different surfaces without causing damage. Considering the size and layout of your home, larger spaces benefit from a steam mop with a wide cleaning path and a longer cord, so you don't have to keep unplugging it. For those with tight spaces or furniture to maneuver around, a lightweight design with a swivel head is essential for reaching those tricky spots. If tackling grout or stubborn stains is a priority, a model with a built-in scrubbing feature will help. Removable water tanks also make refills easier, and washable microfiber pads are eco-friendly and cost-effective. Finally, look at the heat-up time, as faster models get you cleaning quicker with less waiting. Thanks for sticking around. Hopefully this breakdown helped you figure out which one suits your needs best. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the latest tools and gadgets. Drop your questions in the comments, and as always, check the links in the description if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Thanks for watching.